it's Stephanie here. Just wanted to hop on and share with you some really neat ways I'm seeing other designers set up custom work order boards or template boards for custom work orders. They're doing this that it gives them a starting place when they head to their workroom and they're ready to proceed forward with ordering custom window treatments, custom pillow orders, or bed linens. So just wanted to share this with you and hopes that it would save you some time. So setting up their boards, something like this, they do vary, but they have the project details just to make sure that their team's always addressing each item that they know they're going to need for customization. When the team has tackled one of those items, they can go in and check these off here. Okay. They definitely want to make sure they have noted the pickup date and the install date, like you would for any work order. For fabric info, you'll typically already have a fabric on another Wecora board, so it'll just be easy for you to click here, go to Add from Projects, and then drag and drop any items straight to the board from the project, such as the body fabric, same here for the contrast fabric. As far as style, most of our designers are setting up list cards for each item that they may tend to order. So they may have one list card for square pillows, one for rectangular, custom sizes, and then they're able to just check off what they need, and they can even add notes about the quantity here. For fabrication info, so many creative ideas I'm seeing here. If a lot of designers are using labels here, so let's say that you want to spec a knife edge for this particular custom pillow. A lot of the designers are setting up labels for these items. So let me click on Find My Label. And then we've got knife edge, so now I can just drag and drop this to the board. So anytime you want to keep using images over and over again, the labels may be a great option for you to utilize. Labor documents for this board, that's going to be where I'm going to put maybe any pictures we've taken, maybe any estimates, and then ultimately my final invoice. Just so that I have them for future reference. Let's say a pillow doesn't hold up to quality that you would expect as standard. If I have my invoice already on the board, maybe I even have my whoever handled the delivery, the install, put it here so you can always go back to it easily. So now that this board would be set up as a template, we definitely want to save it as such. This way, the next time we go to create a custom work order, we're not starting from scratch. So we'll go to File, Properties, and then we're just going to make sure that this option is checked right here to use this board as a template. Now, what does that look like going forward? Anytime I go to File, New, Board, I will have the option to select this custom work order template. So I'm going to choose this, and we're just going to call this pillows. It's going to be for a whole new project, a whole new client. So let's go ahead and launch this, and you'll just see that we have a starting place. We can then edit that new board. We can change the quantities, obviously changing fabrics and design, but it just gives us somewhere to start with, okay? The next thing I wanted to show you why I think these boards could be so helpful saved in your accounts is that you can actually attach Wecora boards to other board items. What in the world does that mean? Okay, let me hop over here to another board. Let's look at this one. Now let's say that we're working on this family room, and this is the fabric that we go with for a certain throw pillow. I would suggest attaching that custom work order board directly to this board item. So here's how we're going to do this. We're going to click that attachment icon. We're going to click board. We're going to pull where that was from in our work order board. Okay, let me save this. Now here's how this works. So the next time that we want to reference, my team wants to look and see, did we order the right style pillows? How many pillows did we order? Or let's say it's install day, 6 to 10 weeks later, everyone's going to need a refresher of what they're expecting from their workroom. This attachment icon here just shows us that we do have this board attached. Move over here. So now when I click on this custom work order attachment, it's going to open up that work order board directly for me. So it's just another way to bring all of your design pieces together cohesively for you to reference, for your installers to reference, for your clients and your team to reference, just to keep everyone organized. So hopefully that helps you when you're doing custom projects.